Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are going to talk about Ola Roadster X Plus in a luxurious showroom. Welcome to the future of electric mobility, where innovation meets elegance. Standing tall in this luxurious showroom is the Ola Roadster X Plus, a masterpiece of engineering and design. Its sleek silhouette, aerodynamic frame, and futuristic appeal make it the center of attention. The deep metallic finish gleams under the ambient lighting, reflecting sophistication and power. Every angle of this stunning machine tells a story of cutting-edge technology and seamless performance. The high-gloss showroom floor mirrors its commanding presence, enhancing its bold and refined look. As you step closer, the dynamic curves and sculpted body of the Ola Roadster X Plus invite you to experience the pinnacle of electric performance. Its aggressive yet graceful stance is accentuated by the finely crafted details that define its identity. The sharp LED headlamps pierce through the space, illuminating the path ahead with precision and style. Every contour of the vehicle has been meticulously designed to optimize aerodynamics and efficiency, ensuring a ride that is not only exhilarating but also eco-friendly. The grand display behind the vehicle proudly showcases the name Ola Roadster X Plus in bold, illuminated letters. This striking visual element reinforces its dominance in the world of electric two-wheelers. The name stands as a testament to the brand's commitment to redefining the future of urban commuting. The fusion of cutting-edge technology and luxurious craftsmanship is evident in every detail, from the precision-engineered frame to the intuitive control systems that make every ride seamless and thrilling. The electric powertrain of the Ola Roadster X Plus delivers instant acceleration, offering a ride that is both smooth and powerful. With zero emissions and a silent yet commanding presence, it redefines what it means to ride in style. The intelligent battery management system ensures optimal performance, extending range and efficiency without compromising on speed. Every ride is a statement of sustainability and high performance, making it the ultimate choice for modern riders who demand both power and responsibility. Inside the showroom, the premium ambiance complements the futuristic appeal of the Ola Roadster X Plus. The sophisticated lighting design highlights the vehicle's bold lines, casting subtle shadows that enhance its sculpted form. The soft glow of LED accents creates an atmosphere of exclusivity, inviting you to step into the world of next-generation mobility. The entire space is curated to reflect the elegance and innovation that define the Ola Roadster X Plus. As your eyes glide over its meticulously designed body, the fine craftsmanship becomes evident. The aerodynamic fairing not only enhances speed but also contributes to a smooth and effortless ride. The premium materials used in its construction ensure durability and lightweight performance, striking the perfect balance between strength and agility. Every component has been engineered to perfection, from the ergonomically designed seat that offers superior comfort to the state-of-the-art digital console that provides real-time data at your fingertips. The advanced connectivity features of the Ola Roadster X Plus set it apart from conventional motorcycles. With seamless smartphone integration, riders can access navigation, ride analytics, and safety features with ease. The intuitive touchscreen interface ensures a user-friendly experience, allowing riders to stay connected while focusing on the road. The futuristic dashboard displays essential ride information in crisp clarity, enhancing convenience and control. The showroom itself is a reflection of the Ola Roadster X Plus philosophy: sleek, modern, and sophisticated. The polished marble floors, ambient lighting, and contemporary architecture create an immersive experience, allowing visitors to appreciate the full essence of this remarkable vehicle. The luxurious setting elevates the vehicle's presence, making it more than just a bike, it's a statement of innovation and prestige. The meticulously designed suspension system ensures a smooth ride, absorbing every bump and curve with grace. Whether navigating city streets or exploring open highways, the Ola Roadster X Plus delivers a ride that is both exhilarating and comfortable. Its adaptive ride modes allow riders to customize their experience, choosing between eco-friendly efficiency and high-performance thrills. Every journey is an opportunity to experience cutting-edge technology in motion. Safety remains a top priority, with advanced braking systems providing unmatched control and stability. The regenerative braking technology not only enhances efficiency but also contributes to energy conservation, making every ride smarter and more responsible. The precision engineering of the braking system ensures a confident and secure ride, even in challenging conditions. The Ola Roadster X Plus is more than just a motorcycle, it's a revolution in electric mobility. Its design philosophy embraces both aesthetics and functionality, creating a vehicle that stands out in every aspect. From its sculpted body to its intelligent systems, every element has been thoughtfully crafted to deliver an unparalleled riding experience. The fusion of performance, technology, and sustainability makes it the ultimate choice for modern riders. As you admire its presence in the showroom, the anticipation of the ride ahead becomes irresistible. The seamless integration of power and efficiency makes the Ola Roadster X Plus a true game changer. Its electric soul beats with innovation, setting new benchmarks for the industry. The silent yet commanding ride experience redefines what it means to embrace the future of mobility. The attention to detail is evident in every component, from the precision-cut panels to the expertly designed aerodynamics. The minimalistic yet bold design language speaks volumes about its futuristic identity. The premium finish and cutting-edge materials elevate its aesthetics, making it a masterpiece on two wheels. Riding the Ola Roadster X Plus is not just about reaching a destination, it's about enjoying the journey. The electric motor delivers instant torque, ensuring rapid acceleration without any lag. The lightweight frame and responsive handling make every turn a thrill, offering an unmatched riding experience. The carefully tuned suspension and high-performance tires provide superior grip and stability, ensuring a ride that is both safe and exhilarating. The spacious battery pack is seamlessly integrated into the frame, maintaining the vehicle's sleek profile while offering exceptional range. Fast charging capabilities ensure minimal downtime, allowing riders to stay on the move without interruptions. The intelligent energy management system optimizes power delivery, balancing performance with efficiency. Every ride on the Ola Roadster X Plus is an experience of pure exhilaration. The advanced traction control system ensures optimal grip on different road surfaces, enhancing confidence and control. The instant torque delivery makes overtaking effortless, while the silent operation adds to the sense of futuristic riding. The absence of engine noise allows riders to truly connect with the road, embracing the sensation of smooth, electric-powered motion. As the showroom lights cast a soft glow on the Ola Roadster X Plus, its presence becomes even more captivating. The illuminated display of its name reinforces its legacy, marking the arrival of a new era in electric mobility. The fusion of innovation, luxury, and performance makes it a symbol of progress and modernity. Standing in this elegant space, the Ola Roadster X Plus embodies the perfect synergy between technology and style. It is not just a vehicle, it is an expression of sophistication and forward-thinking design. Every detail, from its seamless curves to its intuitive controls, reflects a commitment to excellence. This is the future of electric motorcycles. This is the Ola Roadster X Plus, where luxury meets innovation, and every ride is a statement of the extraordinary. Please like and subscribe to my channel so you never miss any updates.